Hey there everybody, it's Lucas Marvin from Oceancraft Marine. Today I'm going to be showing you how to operate one of our amphibious vessels. This is one of our smaller boats. This is a 7.2 meter, but the system operation is very easy, very intuitive, so let me give you a quick breakdown of it. First things first is you're going to fire up your battery systems. You're going to turn your key to the on position, and then right here we have our control panel. So with this control panel we can start our engine. And then we have the option to adjust the idle up and down. So right now we'll do a couple clicks, bring the idle up just a little bit. There we go. And then this right here is our brake. We can remove our brake, and that gives us the ability to roll forward. And we can go backwards. Now as you're using the amphibious system, whenever you put it in neutral, there's a 5-second lock before the brake gets engaged here. So if you wait 5 seconds, that will engage. And then here is your joystick that actually operates the wheels going forward or back. And then you have a differential lock here. There's a button on top. So if you're in some heavier sand and you want all 4 wheels to spin evenly, you'll hold that down as you're in gear. At any time, if you hit the joystick, you got to remember to disengage your brake first, and then you can operate the joystick forward or backwards. And then if you wait that 5 seconds, this brake will engage. And then over here, we have it has a little depiction of the boat. We have our front wheels up, our front wheels down, our back wheels up, and our back wheels down. So if we push this, you can see the front of the boat kind of come down a little bit. And there it is, sitting on the ground. And then the same thing with the back. As we hold this button down, we'll see the back wheels rise. So that gives you the ability put it on the sand. It makes it easier to load off and on when you're on the ground, and the boat is fully capable of picking itself right back up into the up position, and it automatically adjusts the idle for where it needs to be to pick the boat up. See, you'll hear that idle raise, it'll give the hydraulics the power, and then you're up. And you can always bring your idle back down. It's a little bit quieter, and then you just touch it once and it turns off. Your fan will kick off after a few seconds. But we always have our keys removable, so whenever you're not with the vessel, you can take your keys with you. And that's pretty much it for this system. It's very easy to operate. Anybody can do it. It's very user-friendly. And I hope to see you guys soon.